Hello viewers, we are at the Smartery India Expo 2022 and we are in the stall of Pack Universe. Pack Universe is a renowned name when it comes to packaging material for solar industry. It's a Manmohan Singh brand having offices in US as well as Canada.
My company name is Pack Universe, and we are a packaging company, and we are operating since 1962. And solar divisions are one of the divisions that we cover, and we are also into automotive industry, uh, pharmaceutical industries, and multiple FMCG industries as well, like wafers and beverages and like whatnot, and also into electronics. So this is one of our segments, and here we are today at this expo.
So whenever you go to any kind of solar related expos, we don't see much of product being exhibited in this packaging segment, though it's very important. Why do you feel that exhibitions like these should showcase product of packaging material of yours?
Exhibitions are actually meant to showcase like this. Basically, see, it all started with exhibitions. Like people generally started trading. Now in the social world, the things have changed. But if you see before, like what used to happen was only exhibitions. Before the Canton Fair of China, it was really famous. Then the European market started. So if you see from the Silk Route, till now, we see only exhibitions having participations, and people coming, buying products, and having an exposure to entire community at one place. And India taking such initiatives, and your initiative is going really good, because we can see people around from the globe here, like people from US, people from Canada, and people from Europe are here. So it's a very important platform in today's world as well, where people can actually see people face to face and understand what products are there in the market and what India has got a potential to export as well as import.
Right. As we were discussing before this interactions, now you are talking about how your company is contributing to the circular economy and creating a kind of different ecosystem for the entire industry, packaging industry, where to be very specific. Could you tell us more about that?
Yeah, right now, if you see, the solar industry is all about green energy, green initiatives, and saving the planet. As we all can see, the global warming, the paradigms it is touching, the extent to which it has gone is like tremendously bad, we can say. And the solar initiative throughout the world is picking up, and this will actually contribute in the global warming, like cool down of it. So basically, now, like coming to the question, the circular economy in today's world is very important, because the more we circulate and more we recycle, is more we are contributing towards the global economy, as well as renewable resources, reusage of renewable resources. Now we have also developed some products which are like agricultural products, where we are producing such products agriculturally, which is a produce, it's a crop. Now paper, if you see in my product, this is paper. Now paper is basically made from pulp, wood pulp. Now wood pulp is what, again, now if we are doing packaging in paper, though it is recyclable, it can be recycled like up to 20 times, 25 times, and every time you can put in new pulp and recycle it. But if we see, ultimately trees are getting cut for packaging something which is green. So ultimately this initiative we have taken up to produce agricultural fibers which are produced by our farmers in India, and in turn this brings value to the entire farmer society, and it gives the production which the entire world doesn't have right now, and the paper quality which that product can create would be tremendously good, and we can probably even export it to the European countries, the American countries, and like whatnot places. So the circular economy says that whenever we are selling our product outside, like it goes to Canada or it goes to US, it comes again to us, and we are able to circulate it continuously. So that is what we have taken. So our Canadian and US company have basically started re-importing that material back, which the packaging we are sending, and we are proud to say that we are recycling it back in India with our own material that we are sending it outside. So that's the circular economy that we are playing right now.
Pack Universe is a homegrown company. You have already offices in US and Canada. What's next? What sort of vision you have for the company?
So we are actually into packaging, real estate, constructions, farming, and multiple companies. And Pack Universe is one of our divisions of the company. Now the company has a vision to like expand its business in terms of logistics. That is, we are going to take up the shipping lines as well, because the entire circular economy depends on the shipping. So logistics, transport and exports, these three industries we are going to cater. And like we are like supplying to VW. We are partners with VW, MG Motors, Volvo, Volkswagen, and Audi, Lamborghini, and Mahindra. We are also supplying to them along with Eicher Motors. So these are our some customers in automotive sector. And when I say about solar, then Adani, Wari, and this Premier, and multiple companies we are here to serve them. And the vision that we carry along with the route is that going green with them, growing our product, taking it circular, investing into logistics companies, and bringing that material through our own ship and creating a custom housing, so that the entire economy for the renewable energy is maintained and we preserve that value within India.
While talking about your venture in overseas market, especially US and Canada, how different is investing in countries like Canada, and what sort of encouragement you get there?
So I met Honorable Minister Victor Fedeli and his entire team. My experience with them was tremendously good, and the way they deal, the culture that they have is splendorous. Like there's no competition to it, and the energy that Mr. Vic Fedeli has is just uncomparable. And the support that they have given, including the Trade Commissioner Mr. Kapil Malhotra and the Trade Director Mr. Digvijay Mehra, was just tremendously good. So we just did not feel that Canada was some other country for us. When we entered, we thought that everything was arranged and very beautifully arranged for us, like a single window that we always speak about. Actually, I saw that in Canada. So yeah, it is tremendously good, and Honorable Minister Victor Fedeli is just amazing and very energetic.
Just to conclude, would you like to share any message for your end users, especially the manufacturers who are going to use the packaging materials?
Buy from Pack Universe. It is the green technology that we use. We have the biggest line, and we are proudly Indian, and we give you very good quality. And my brother is also there. He would like to add on it.
So I would really like to tell India that it is the time for us to grow. India is at its peak and will even peak more in the coming future. Today we are competing with China in many ways, and I really think that it is the time that all Indians together push the pedal and make India the best country to live in.
For more updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.